Hello, good day everyone. I'm Teps. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is an LG 32 inches LED TV, model 32LS3510. It turns on, and the LED backlight light up, but no image appears on the screen. I'll show you how to fix it. If you like electronics or want to learn to repair TV and other electronic appliances, you came to the right channel. So don't forget to like the videos and subscribe to this channel. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. No image or video is usually the panel, or the T-con is the problem. Let's measure voltages. We start with the 12 volts input. The voltage is 12.1 volts, which is normal. Measuring now the VGH. No voltage measures to the VGH. Let's disconnect these two flat wires going to the panel and measure again the VGH. The VGH still has no voltage, which means the T-con is defective. Let's test the rails if there is a shorted. The multimeter is set to continuity mode. A long beep means a possible short circuit. No short circuit was found. This is the VDD rail. The resistance is about 66 ohms. The voltage of the VDD is about 15 to 17 volts. 66 ohms is a very low resistance for the VDD. There is probably a partially shorted capacitor in the VDD rail line. These 4 capacitors are connected to the VDD line. This capacitor looks darker in color than the rest, so let's remove it. This may be the 66 ohms resistance that measures in the VDD rail line. The resistance is still there. The resistance changing every time. This capacitor is also darker in color and looks like it is burnt, and seems it's connected to the VDD. Let's remove it. The VDD resistance now is about 7 kilo ohms. This capacitor is the resistance measured on the VDD rail line. Let's test the other capacitor in capacitance. It's 10 microfarads. It is still good, but let's replace it anyway. Let's get a capacitor to this board. These capacitors are similar in size to the bad capacitor. And they are also 10 microfarads. Let's solder the capacitors. Sorry, I put a lot of amount of soldering paste. And I really can't master this way of soldering. I scrubbed the excess soldering paste off cam, and now looks better. The VDD resistance is now about 7.6 kilo ohms. Let's connect the T-con and let's try it. We have 26.8 volts now onto the VGH, and the VDD is 17 volts now. And seems working now.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can help this channel by liking the video and subscribing to it. And don't forget to ring the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.